Hi there, it's Jen, and thanks for joining me today. Happy Friday, happy day one of Creativation. I believe it's day one, or maybe it starts tomorrow. I think they have some kind of thing going on today. I've never been there, but one day maybe that would be super cool. It is in Arizona where I live, so that would be great. But I'll be probably glued to YouTube looking for new product updates and all of the kind of show and tells that they do um, through different channels for Creativation. So I'm looking forward to that this weekend. I just wanted to share really quickly a haul that I purchased from Not2Shabby Shop, from Jamie's shop, and it's super cute. I'm hoping to be able to get a a couple of cards created with these items this weekend so that I can get them posted. But again, this is from the Not2Shabby Shop. Free shipping on US orders over $60. And she does have a rewards program. You get points for every purchase you make. It is www.not2shabbyshop.com. And I looked this morning, or I looked earlier, and she has a lot of the new Lawn Fawn release that is coming out for pre-orders. So she has a lot of new Lawn Fawn items up on the site. If you want to go check that out, the pre-orders, I believe it said shipping February 20th. So on to it. Here is my little haul that I purchased. I love this, all this stuff together right here. Excuse me. This is CC Designs, a 6x6 paper pad, and this is a loose paper pad. It's not a bound paper pad. 24 sheets, 12 designs, single-sided, and this one is called Hearts and Pink. And it has some really super cute patterns. So these are multiples of two of the same pattern. So a bunch of polka dots. This is one I really love. This one's super cute. Super cute pattern on that. And then we've got some more hearts here. And then we've got some different polka dots, some grays and pinks. And then another really cute one with tiny little hearts. Love this too. Some of these can be used for like baby girl cards or something like that. Oh, I love this one right here. All these little envelopes. You can maybe like cut a few of them out and pop them up. And then have the background like that. I don't know. And then some stripes. And then kind of like some bubbles. So super cute paper pad. And then I got these two, and usually I don't buy the matching dies. I fussy cut, and maybe one day when I learn how to use my scan and cut, I will use that. But these were so reasonably priced that I couldn't resist. So here is the stamp set, and this is called, I think it's called okay, so it's called Abominable. And it's these cute little Yetis. They're good size stamps. So there's 4 little Yetis. There's one right here. He's blowing little hearts. So cute. This one's got his little claw, or do they have claws? It looks like a claw, but I think it's his little finger in his mouth. Like I said, this might be good for a baby card. Or all of them, actually. They're super cute. So the sentiments are, your your Yeti sweet, big monster kisses, you're so abominably cute, and hello. Very cute. And then I got the matching dies. I think these were like $8. Usually I don't purchase matching dies unless they're on super sale because they are expensive. And I just usually fussy cut them out. But so it was about $20 for both of these, a little over $20 maybe. And then the paper. So I think they're really reasonably priced. They are super cute stamp set. I think that's it for me, other than I wanted to let you know my second design team project for the Not2Shabby Shop, which I can't find the stamp right now. It's somewhere. Will be on Tuesday the 21st. Oh my gosh. The 21st. So this was the first card that I created And I posted that on the 7th of this month for my design team project. And so I will be posting the second card using that stamp set on Tuesday the 21st. And then I do have another video, a stencil video that I'm doing right now, and that will post hopefully sometime within the next week. I feel like I have a lot going on this month for some reason, a bunch of different projects. And then I think that's it. So thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful Friday, and I will catch you next time. Oh yeah, if you like this video or found it informative, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you would like to, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I will have links to these items for Jamie's shop if you are interested in purchasing the items. She also has a really good deal of the day today, a stamp set, and I think it's about $4. So check that out, and I will leave links to Jamie's shop as well. And that is it. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.